Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Afro Gardener. I'm planting some seeds today, and I'm planting some cucumbers, but I need a trellis. And so I'm gonna show you guys how I make my trellises with just stuff that I have. This is the bed that I made in, this is the bed that I filled the other day in one of my last videos. And I'm gonna be planting some Wisconsin cucumbers. I just picked these up at the store, but I needed some type of trellis. Now, I don't have a whole lot of materials, but I do have some, so I'm going to be just using some things that I have. Now, all I'm going to be using is twine, scissors, and these bamboo poles. I bought these bamboo poles, a set of like 15 a couple years ago. Some of them are broken, some of them are worn out, but I'm still using them. I'm gonna use them till they fall apart. And so this is what I'm gonna be using to make my trellis. I'm gonna set you guys over here. Okay, so all I've done is I've stuck these down as far as I could get them to go into the soil. Now, when they start, they kind of look like they have some resistance, which is good because I don't want them to fall out. We do get kind of high winds here, and so I don't want them to fall. And all I'm gonna do, my dress keeps flying up. All I'm gonna do is take these, put them together in like a TP shape. I'm just gonna tie them together like this. I don't have any zip ties. If I had zip ties, I would just zip tie them together. But I don't have any zip ties, so I'm just going to be using this twine, which will be fine. I've used twine before, so. And I just tie it as tight as I can get it. Make a knot. And then cut off the excess. Now, that's all I'm gonna do because I'm gonna be planting, like I said, cucumbers here. And so the cucumber is just kind of gonna grow around this and grab onto it. But if I was planting beans here, I would take the twine and kind of go around and kind of make a cage, something for the green beans to grab onto. Now, like I said, I'm just gonna be planting the cucumbers, and so it's just gonna kind of grow around it like this. It's very sturdy. I have another one that I made that I'll show you guys that's a little bit bigger, and this is another way to, if you have limited space, growing this way, growing vertically, is a way that you can maximize the amount of space that you have. Say for example, if I decided to just let it grow along the ground, it would take up more space. It would take up more space, and also it'll be able to, bugs could get it, or pests or rodents or whatever. And so doing it this way will save a lot of that. You want to say hi? Mm-hmm. Say hi.
Hi.
And so I'm going to show you guys the other one that I made for some vining beans that I'm growing. This is another trellis that I made basically the same way. I had one zip tie, and so I used it for the top of this. I mean, it is pretty large. I like the, hold on just a minute, babe. I like the really high part of it. I really like the fact that it was so tall. And as you can see down here, the beans are starting to come up. Now, I did not use twine. I ended up using this floral wire that I had. You can barely see it. Yeah. But I ended up using the floral wire. And so it's gonna be able to vine up and kind of grow up this wire. And so that's that. But while I'm over here, let's talk about the corn. So the corn that's in the back is kind of crooked. It's kind of like this, but it is standing up. All the other corn did start to stand up on its own, and I didn't do anything. I did nothing. So if you are having issues with your corn after a wind or something like that, do nothing. Don't do anything. Let it fix itself, because that's all it did. I just kind of let it go and fix itself, and that's what it seems to be doing. It's doing really good. Now I did look online and see where you can take one of these tassels and pollinate the ears of corn. So I did go through and touch the ears of corn with the tassel just to make sure that they're being pollinated. That is all for this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and as always, I'll talk to you later. Bye.